Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue number 21 of the Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT from our good old friends up at Hachette Partworks, folks. Yes. So if you'd like to grab this 1/8 scale model and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to the Hachette website, where you can take out a subscription for this post-apocalyptic edition Mad Max car. Today we're going to be doing the spare wheel housing. It says the housing for the spare wheel is fixed to the rear part of the chassis, and this is where it's going on your Ford Falcon, folks. Okay, so we've got some spare screws as well today. Nice, concise, simple instructions showing you how this is going to be placed in situ. Take note of this little section there, the little raised dimple that goes up into the top left there. And this is showing you where all the screws go. The PS05s is what we're using, which are just there, folks. And there's your completed assembly and what you should look like when we're finished. Then you've got Oldsmobile Tornado driving forwards there, and some designs there for the new era, which was a 67 Eldorado. Wow, size of that. And then obviously next week we're going to be getting another section of the chassis there, folks, to go and join with what we're making today. So we'll just move that to one side and we'll bring in our parts and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right, we want to orientate our chassis this way round, folks, okay? With the curves facing towards the bottom, like so. And then we're going to grab this with our little dimple that pokes up. This is where the fuel neck comes through. And that is going to sit in there, like that. Okay, that's what it's asking us to do. And then check and double check that we're looking as we should, and then we'll spin this over and we'll put in one of the screws just to hold this in place. So I'm going to go for the top left. I've already got a bit of oil on it, but I'm not fully tightening them yet. I shall work my diagonals like I normally do, just like that. And the reason I'm not fully tightening these is just to give myself a bit of room for adjustment if I need to make it. Like that. Come around there and do that one there. And then the same with that one at the bottom. Bit of oil over there. And we got that one right around there. Like that. Now we can go around and tighten all the others up to pull that in place. Just like so. And that is that section done. So we've actually got 2 spare screws this week. So simple instructions there, and that's what we've got today, folks. We got our rear chassis section with our spare wheel well sitting in there like so. Okay, so don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, folks, head over to the Hachette website by following this link here. There's a clickable version below in the description. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little Festa in the corner there, bink, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps me grow my channel. I really do appreciate it. Whilst you're there, just click the little bell. That will give you notifications. If you select all, you'll be notified of all the future upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you next time. Bye-bye.